Very good morning, dear students. So, today in English, we are going to see unit number 2. In that, we are going to discuss the poem Noses. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, this poem is on page number 1880. Okay, unit number 2, 1880. Here, you can see in this picture one girl is there and she is looking in the mirror. Okay, now what is the mirror? मिरर मतलब क्या होता है बच्चों? शीशा. ओके, जिसमें आप अपना बाल बनाते हो. ओके, जिसके अंदर आप देख सकते हो. ओके, इट्स अ वन काइंड ऑफ ग्लास. ओके, यस. सो पोएम नोसेस. Dear students, if you have your textbook, then please sit with your textbook. Now I am going to read this poem. Please read behind me and try to understand. Let's read and sing. Noses. I looked in the mirror and looked at my nose. It's the funniest thing, the way it grows. Stuck right out where all of it shows. SH, okay, it means shows, with two little holes where the breathing goes. Second paragraph. I looked in the mirror and saw in there the end of my chin and the start of my hair. And between there isn't much space to spare with my nose. Like a handle sticking there. If ever you want to giggle and shout and can't think of what to do it about, just look in the mirror and then no doubt you will see how funny your nose stuck out. So, now we are moving. So, I am going to discuss the first paragraph. Please put your finger on each line, dear students. Yes, very good. I looked in the mirror. So, here one girl is there and she is looking in the mirror and looked at my nose. And what she looked? Her nose. As you all know, we have 5 sense organs, okay? Which are they? Eyes, nose, tongue, skin. Okay, yes, eyes, nose, ears, skin and tongue. With the eyes we can see, okay, vision. Nose we can smell. Tongue we can taste. And ears we can hear. And skin we can touch. So apart from that, यहाँ पे किसकी बात की गई है? नोज़ की. ओके, सो नोज़ से हम क्या कर सकते हैं? स्मेल ले रहे हैं. ओके, वेदर इट इज़ द गुड और बैड. नाउ इट इज़ द फनीएस्ट थिंग, द वे इट ग्रोज. सो दिस लिटिल गर्ल, शी इज़ वॉचिंग इन द मिरर एंड शी इज़ ऑल्सो ऑब्जर्विंग हर नोज़. इज़ हर नोज़ फ्लैट? उसका जो नोज़ है वो फ्लैट है? So dear students, she is continuously watching in the mirror, stuck right out where all of it shows, with 2 little holes where the breathing goes. Okay, जो हमारा नोज़ होता है उसके नीचे बहुत 2 हॉल होते हैं. ओके, 2 हॉल. वहाँ होल से हमें क्या लेना पड़ता है? ब्रेथ. ओके, यस. So, through this help we can take a breath. So, first stanza में किसकी बात की गई है? The girl, she is watching into the mirror and she is observing her nose. Now, we are moving on second paragraph. I looked in the mirror and saw in there the end of my chin and the start of my hair. And between there isn't much space to spare with my nose, like a handle sticking there. So I looked in the mirror again. What she was doing? Continuously watching in the mirror. In this poem, there is a girl. वो क्या कर रही है? Looking in the mirror, and she finds her nose to be funny because of the way it is growing, coming eager inside and earlier because of the little holes. So the girl is looking in the mirror. In the second stanza also, the girl is looking in the mirror and she is noticing herself. Okay, she is noticing her chin. Okay, chin मतलब क्या होता है बच्चों? दाढ़ी. And starting pointing of her hair. Okay, और उसका hair भी देख रही है. She is thinking that her nose in the center of her face like a handle. Okay, उसका जो nose है वो उसको कैसा लग रहा है? Like a handle. Third paragraph. If ever you want to giggle and shout and can't think of what to do it about, just look in the mirror and then no doubt you will see how funny your nose sticks out. So in the third paragraph, what she tells to us that the girl is saying, if ever you want to giggle, okay, and shout and to laugh and make noise, then you don't have to find any reason. Okay, अगर आपको हंसना है, अगर आपको शाउट करना है, चिल्लाना है, अगर आपको खिलखिलाहट से हंसना है, ओके, तो उसके लिए आपके पास कोई रीज़न नहीं होना चाहिए. What you have to do? But you have to look into the mirror. Okay, सिर्फ आपको क्या करना है? You have to look into the mirror. Simply look in the mirror and you will see the nose. Okay, simply you have to look in the mirror and you will see the magic. So to be happy in our life, we don't need any kind of excuse. Okay, जब भी आप अकेले होते हो, okay, जब भी आप कुछ एक्टिविटी कर रहे हो, okay, जब भी आपको कोई दुख हो रहा है, okay, so what you have to see? We have to follow this girl's instructions. क्या करना है? हमें मिरर में जाना है, अपने फेस को, अपने नोज़ को सब देखना है, एंड सडनली यू विल फील वेरी हैप्पी. ओके, क्या मिलेगा आपको? बहुत खुशी होगी. सो दिस मिरर दिस ब्यूटीफुल पोम गिव्स वन काइंड ऑफ ब्यूटीफुल सजेशन टू अस. क्या देता है सजेशन हमें? कि जब भी आप ऐसे मूडलेस होते हो, आपको कुछ मन नहीं कर रहा है, आप मतलब कि थोड़े दुखी हो, तो क्या करना है? यू हैव टू सी इन द मिरर लाइक दिस गर्ल एंड यू हैव टू लाफ. ओके, देयर इज़ नो एनी रीज़न. ओके, वी डोंट हैव एनी काइंड ऑफ एक्सक्यूज़. ओके, हमें क्लियर होना है तो हमें क्या करना है? ऐसे खुश रहना है. ओके, हैप्पी रहना है. ओके, हियर ऑन पेज नंबर 19 न्यू वर्ड्स: मिरर, फनीस्ट, ब्रेथिंग एंड स्टिकिंग एंड गीगल. ओके, मिरर इट मीन्स शीशा. फनीस्ट मतलब कि बहुत मज़ेदार और जो खिलखिलाहट से हम हंसते हैं वो. ब्रीथिंग, वो मैं एक्सरसाइज आपको करवा ही रही हूँ, सांस लेना. ओके, यस. देन गीगल मतलब कि हंसना. एंड स्टिकिंग मतलब कि वो जो बोल रही थी ना, ऐसे हैंडल करके उसका जो नोज़ है वो स्ट्रेट है. ओके, नाउ हियर वी हैव सम एक्सरसाइज. सो प्लीज़ डियर स्टूडेंट्स, write it down in your notebook and write it down chapter number 2, Noses poem. Then you have to write first question: why does the poet feel that the nose is funny thing? Okay, yes, your answer is that the nose grows where it is and stick out of the face, therefore it is a funny thing. Now second question: why is nose important for you? Okay, why nose is important for us? So the nose has 2 holes through which breath, therefore it is important for our life also. Okay, third question: does the child in the poem like her nose? Why do you think so? Yes, the child likes her nose. She considers it to be a funny thing which sticks out just like a handle. Okay. Question number 4. Describe a few funny things you have seen. Do they make you language? A few funny things that I know are mustaches of men, hairstyle of ladies, and some dress of man and woman. Yes, they make me laugh. Fifth one, what does features mean? Look up the dictionary. What are the different kind of features of people we come across in the world? Discuss. Features mean part of face or distinctive parts of appearance. Some kind of features are as under: people with round nose, people with flat nose, people with short nose, and people with long nose. Sixth question, what is your favorite fruit? Describe it in 5 sentences. Okay, this you have to write by yourself. Okay, here we have one example. You can write also this one, but this is my one kind of suggestion that you have to write your favorite fruit. Okay, for example, my favorite fruit is apple. It is very tasty. I eat apple with its peel. It has a small seeds. Very good. Question number 7. How does it smell? It smells sweet. How does it look? It looks like a cricket ball. How does it feel? It is hard. When you bite it, what sound does it make? Tuck. How does it taste? It tastes sweet. 8. Do you know a fish breathes from its gills? Write it down. Sentences about other animals which can breathe underwater. Okay. So answer is crocodile can breathe underwater. At times they rest on the sides of ponds. Snakes can also breathe under water. Punctuate the following passage. Okay. Mother, father, Neelam. Okay. I said I have got a fire engine. Okay. This we have to frame. Okay. Mother, father, Neelam said, I have got a fire engine. Okay, this you have to write it down. 10. Using a red pencil, choose the circle, the thing whose smell you like. Now with the blue pencil, circle the things whose smell you do not like. Make a sentences like this. Okay, so here I do not like the smell of paint because it reminds me of petrol. Then I do not like the smell of rotten fruit because it reminds me dirty shoes. Okay, so these are the questions, these are the answer that you have to write. Now 11, write 3 pair of words that rhyme with each other. Okay, nose, goes, gaze, watercress, ball, tall. These are the rhyming words. So here we complete our beautiful poem. I hope you will really like this poem, and in our next video we will see another beautiful story, and the name of story is The Little Fir Tree. Till the time, dear students, please write it down, your question answer, and if you have any query then please call me. Thank you, dear students. Please, God bless you.